Don't forget to subscribe. So for this makeup look, I use my iconic Prep Spray. And then to conceal my eyelids, I use my Catrice Camouflage Concealer. So for this makeup look, I'll be using two different eyeshadow palettes. The first one will be My Little Ponytail from ColourPop Cosmetics. And the second one will be my palette from BH Cosmetics, 88 color palette. So the first color I use is the deep purple, and then I went in with the lighter shade on my crease and blended both of them together. So you're gonna see throughout the whole makeup tutorial, I'll be blending a lot. So the key for this makeup look to be perfect is blend, blend, blend. I really wanted to go with deeper colors, like brighter colors, but unfortunately that's the only thing I had in hand. But if you have like deep reds, deep purples, and deep greens, go for that. And of course, you want to apply the same colors on your lower lashes. And then on top, to give a nicer finish to my eyeshadows, I applied my Lise Watier Poudre Folie on top of it. And as you can see, it's brighter and prettier. For my brows, I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in medium brown, and I set it with my CoverGirl Brown Mascara. Oh, and then my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter on my brow bone. With my favorite product so far right now, I went and used my Pretty Vulgar gel liner. It's super black and super waterproof and creamy. I just love it. By the way, guys, I noticed my brows were sticking downwards. Do you guys have any good brow mascara to recommend? So for my foundation, I use my Yves Saint Laurent Touche Éclat and blended with my beauty blender. And for my concealer, I use my Catrice Camouflage Concealer. And once everything is blended, you want to set your foundation. The powder I used today is the one from Lancôme, color Ideal. And then for my contouring, I used my BH Cosmetics contouring palette right there. You see what I'm talking about? Look at my brows, guys. That does not look cute. And then of course my Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette to bring back some shine to my face. And then my Glamorous blush palette from BH Cosmetics. Look how pretty. And then behind the camera, I put some glue on my lashes with my Duo glue on my Lily Gallici lashes. And while that was drying a little, I went in and applied my lip liner from Rimmel, and all the colors will be listed down below. And then for my lipstick, I used my NYX Cosmetics lipstick. I think it's called Suede. And look how pink and bright it is. So pretty. And then of course behind the camera I applied my lashes, and voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!